Ever feel like your shoulders are glued to your ears? Tight shoulders are a common problem, often leading to poor posture and even pain. The good news? You can unlock those tight muscles and stand tall. Let's dive into simple stretches and tips to help you regain control of your posture and comfort. Remember, taking care of your shoulders is crucial for overall well-being. By addressing tightness and improving posture, you can move with greater ease and feel more confident in your body. Let's get started. Why do our shoulders get so tight? It's a common issue that many of us face, often without realizing the underlying causes. Often it's a combination of factors that contribute to this discomfort. Our daily habits and routines play a significant role in how our shoulders feel. Poor posture while working at a desk can wreak havoc on your shoulders. Sitting for long hours with a hunched back or slouched shoulders puts undue strain on the muscles, leading to tightness and pain. Stress can also manifest physically, causing muscle tension, especially in the shoulders and neck. When we're stressed, our body tends to tighten up, and the shoulders are often the first to feel the impact. Even a sedentary lifestyle plays a role, as inactivity allows muscles to shorten and stiffen. When we don't move enough, our muscles lose flexibility and become more prone to tightness. Identifying the source of your shoulder tension is the first step towards addressing it effectively. Understanding whether it's due to poor posture, stress, or inactivity can help you take the right steps to alleviate the discomfort. Once you understand the culprits, you can take targeted action to alleviate the discomfort and prevent it from recurring. Regular stretching, strengthening exercises, and mindful posture adjustments can make a significant difference. So, let's explore some practical solutions. Incorporating shoulder stretches into your daily routine, using tools like foam rollers, and seeking professional guidance from a physical therapist or personal trainer can help you maintain healthy, pain-free shoulders. Ready to loosen up those shoulders? Whether you're an athlete, a desk worker, or just someone looking to improve your overall flexibility, shoulder stretches are essential. They help in reducing tension, preventing injuries, and enhancing your range of motion. Let's dive into some simple yet effective stretches that you can incorporate into your daily routine. Here are a few easy stretches that you can do anywhere, anytime. No special equipment needed, just a bit of space and a few minutes of your time. Shoulder rolls. Stand tall, feet shoulder width apart. Roll your shoulders back and down in a circular motion. This movement helps to release tension and improve blood flow to the shoulder area. Repeat 10 to 15 times. You can do this stretch while sitting or standing, making it perfect for a quick break during work or study sessions. Arm circles. Extend your arms out to the sides at shoulder height. Make small circles forward, then reverse the direction. This exercise not only stretches the shoulder muscles but also engages the upper back and chest. Continue for 10 to 15 repetitions in each direction. It's a great way to warm up your shoulders before any physical activity. Cross arm stretch. Gently pull one arm across your chest, holding it with the opposite hand just above the elbow. This stretch targets the deltoid muscles and helps in improving shoulder flexibility. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds and repeat on the other side. Make sure to keep your shoulders relaxed and avoid hunching them up towards your ears. These simple stretches done daily can make a big difference in relieving shoulder tension and improving flexibility. Consistency is key. Incorporate these stretches into your morning routine, during breaks at work, or as part of your cool down after a workout. Over time, you'll notice a significant improvement in your shoulder mobility and a reduction in any discomfort or stiffness. Remember to perform them gently and avoid any movements that cause pain. It's important to listen to your body and not push beyond your comfort zone. If you experience any sharp pain or discomfort, stop immediately and consult a healthcare professional. Stretching should feel good and help you relax, not cause additional strain. Now let's explore another effective tool for loosening tight muscles. Foam rollers and massage tools can be incredibly beneficial for releasing muscle knots and improving blood circulation. Using these tools in conjunction with your stretching routine can enhance your overall flexibility and muscle health. Stay tuned for our next segment where we'll dive deeper into these techniques. A foam roller can be your best friend when it comes to releasing tight muscles. Whether you're an athlete, a fitness enthusiast, or someone who spends long hours at a desk, foam rolling can help alleviate muscle tightness and improve your overall well-being. It's a simple yet effective tool that can be used in the comfort of your own home. Lie on your back with the foam roller positioned horizontally beneath your upper back. This position targets the muscles that often become tight from poor posture or repetitive movements. By placing the foam roller in this position, you can effectively stretch and release tension in your upper back. Support your head with your hands, and gently roll back and forth over the foam roller, focusing on any tender spots in your shoulders and upper back. This gentle rolling motion helps to break up knots and adhesions in the muscle tissue, promoting better blood flow and faster recovery. Take your time and breathe deeply as you roll, allowing your body to relax and release tension. Spend a few minutes rolling each day, and you'll likely notice increased mobility and reduced tension in your shoulders. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporating foam rolling into your daily routine can lead to long-term benefits, such as improved flexibility, better posture, and reduced risk of injury. It's a small investment of time that can yield significant results. Now let's talk about the importance of making these stretches and techniques a regular part of your routine. Consistency is crucial for achieving the best results. Try to set aside a few minutes each day for foam rolling, either in the morning to start your day off right or in the evening to unwind and relax. By making foam rolling a habit, you'll be taking proactive steps towards maintaining your muscle health and overall well-being. So, grab your foam roller and start rolling away that tension today. Section 5. Consistency is key. Make stretching a habit. Just like brushing your teeth, stretching should be a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Even a few minutes each day can make a difference. Make it a habit to stretch while watching TV, waiting for your coffee to brew, or right before bed. The more consistent you are, the more you'll notice the benefits. Your shoulders will thank you. So what are the rewards of incorporating regular stretching into your life? Let's find out. Section 6. Reap the rewards of flexible shoulders. The benefits of regular shoulder stretches extend beyond just loosening tight muscles. Good posture can improve your breathing, boost your confidence, and reduce the risk of neck and back pain. You'll find it easier to move freely and perform everyday tasks with ease. Investing just a few minutes each day in shoulder stretches can pay off in a big way, enhancing your overall well-being and quality of life. But stretching is just one piece of the puzzle. Let's explore other important factors for maintaining shoulder health. Section 7. Beyond stretching, ergonomic adjustments for shoulder health. While stretching is crucial, don't underestimate the power of ergonomics. Assess your workspace. Is your chair at the right height? Is your computer screen at eye level? Making simple adjustments can significantly reduce strain on your shoulders and neck. By creating an ergonomic environment, you can work comfortably and minimize the risk of developing shoulder problems in the first place. But it's not just about our physical surroundings, our lifestyle choices play a crucial role too. Section 8. Stress less, move more, combating shoulder tension. Stress and a sedentary lifestyle are major contributors to tight shoulders. Incorporate stress-relieving activities into your routine, like meditation or spending time in nature. And don't forget to move. Regular exercise helps improve circulation and keeps muscles loose and flexible. By addressing both the physical and mental aspects of shoulder tension, you can achieve lasting relief and prevent tightness from creeping back in. However, it's essential to recognize when self-care measures might not be enough. Section 9. Listen to your body. When to seek professional help. While simple stretches and lifestyle changes can often address shoulder tightness, it's essential to listen to your body. If you experience persistent pain, numbness, or tingling, consult a healthcare professional. They can help determine the underlying cause and recommend appropriate treatment options. Remember, early intervention is key to preventing further complications and ensuring a speedy recovery. So let's empower ourselves with knowledge and prioritize prevention. Section 10. The power of prevention. Maintaining shoulder flexibility. The best way to deal with tight shoulders is to prevent them in the first place. Incorporate regular stretching, ergonomic awareness, and stress management techniques into your daily life. Make time for activities you enjoy that keep you moving and your muscles limber. By adopting a proactive approach to shoulder health, you can enjoy greater freedom of movement, reduced pain, and an overall improved quality of life. So, let's embrace a life with freer, happier shoulders. Section 11. Embrace a life with freer shoulders. Remember, you don't have to live with tight, achy shoulders. By incorporating simple stretches, ergonomic adjustments and stress management techniques into your routine, you can unlock greater flexibility, reduce pain, and improve your overall posture. Start small, be consistent, and listen to your body. Your shoulders will thank you for it.